So I got a really nice comment today that was made that says, since I've come back to YouTube, I've not made a cooking video. Well, there's a reason for that. It's because I've been trying out a lot of stuff, and I want to know how it works before I make a video about it. Stuff like this. All cast iron from Craycourt. Wanting to test it out, understand what it does, how it works, how it changes the grill, how it changes how you need your vent settings. We got the Rodizio, still learning how that works. Gabby Grill, 18-inch, Smoky Joe, getting ready to throw that on here in a minute. Got some tinkering to do. The big Gabby Grill, ballistic smashers, fucking pit barrel. There's just a lot of stuff to go through to learn how it changes things. And I don't like to make videos the day after I got them saying, wow, look, I got this and here's my thoughts. Because I've had this thing, this is the Humphreys Down East Beast, for over a year now, and I still find little nuances about it that I like and dislike. I decided I wanted to know what the pellet cooker, what the changes are comparatively to a regular charcoal in wood. Wanting to understand what that flavor difference is that people talk about and poorly at best can tell you. I've already seen all the rubs, the wood, Japanese charcoal. Let's pull that out. Let's learn about that some. You want to know what I've been doing? Why I haven't been making videos? Because I've been actually learning shit. Cooking stone. You can cook meat on it. Still haven't tried it out yet. It's on my list of things to do. I'll get around to it when I get through the rest of this stuff. So there you have it, folks. That's where I've been for the last couple months, trying stuff out. That's where my time's been being used. About ready to cook up some dinner. Got some sausage or some pepper stuffed with sausage going in here. And as Red likes to say, pacana going on this one. Later.